My name is Pandey Makunguwaji from Tanzania. I came to Max Hospital for the treatment of kidney and on the issue of obstruction in the kidney. So after come on the Max Hospital, I will get a good treatment from Dr. Randhawa.
He was diagnosed with obstruction in the kidney, in the urine pipe, which we call it as PUJ obstruction, pelvic ureteric junction obstruction. So after proper investigations, we advised him robot-assisted pyeloplasty. So that surgery we performed.
And my surgery is done well.
He is discharged on within 2 or 3 days. And now he came for follow-up after 4 weeks and he is absolutely fine. He is happy. So my advice is that with the help of robotic surgeries, we can do complex reconstructive surgeries also with very good results. Thank you.